Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically mute your microphone on your PlayStation 5 Pro when you log in. So to do this, we can go up to settings and scroll on down to where it says sound. Then on here, go to microphone and go to the right. And there's this option, it's called microphone status when logged in. This setting might not work for some devices that have mute function. So we can just go to this and then go to mute. Now, every time we log into our PlayStation 5, it's automatically going to mute our microphone. So people won't be able to hear us when we're speaking. So if you're just using the controller microphone, this might be a good option. Otherwise, people are going to hear you in the game chat when you start talking. And most of the time, you're going to have to press the button on the controller to go ahead and mute your microphone. And this just bypasses it. And it's really quick and simple. So look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.